Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and I'm going to be doing a quick nail video for you today. And so this is going to be another video where I use my little nail stands. And I have pre-polished my nails. Used these Kiss Acrylic Nude Real Short nails this time, because the Amazon nails that I used in my last video, I think that they are more geared toward putting acrylic on them, because they were a little, they tended to crack. And also I noticed that I don't have an issue with, when I use these glue-on nails, with my hair getting stuck in the nail. I've had a few people comment on that and wonder how you can avoid, you know, like if you're putting your fingers through your hair and, you know, maybe pulling it back or something and the hair gets caught underneath the nails, which I don't have that problem when I use the Kiss glue-on nails, but with those Amazon nails, that was happening. So I think it was because the nails don't fit perfectly on my nail bed. They're a little too small, or, you know, yeah, they were small. So in other words, they didn't cover the entire nail. So they stayed on relatively well. After about, I would say maybe 4 or 5 days, they started to come off. So, but the nail polish, and I used the gel, the Sally Hansen Miracle gel nail polish, and that really did last. It didn't chip. So I am going to continue to use that on these glue-on nails. So I did use this color, is called Malibu Peach. It's a pretty peachy color. And obviously I did the gel top coat. Now I polished these nails yesterday and I gave them overnight to cure and to dry. So I should have no issue with smudging whatsoever on these nails. And I did put 2 coats of the polish and 1 coat of the gel top coat. So I'm just going to take these off of my little nail stands and glue them on. So this is going to be a very quick manicure for me this morning. And in case you are wondering how I got these nails to stick on these little stands, if you didn't see my video, last week's video, I will link it so that if you want to see the whole process of how I get these nails onto these little stands and then take them off, you can check that video out. But I'm going to glue these on right now and let's see how they come out. One more thing I wanted to mention before I get started is that I had removed all the other nails already. I gave them a light file to take off the glue, and then I sort of buffed them and trimmed them. This morning, right before I'm getting ready to glue these on, I did give them a wipe with nail polish remover so that I removed any natural oils on my nails.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get loud, come on.
the nails that have a little tab on the tip. And I removed that tab before I polished these nails. So there's a tiny little, you can see on some of them, a tiny little tab left. So I'm just going to lightly, just ever so lightly file that little tab away wherever I see one. And I'll tell you, this was so easy, and there's absolutely no smudging whatsoever on these nails, you know, from touching them and pressing them on. I put the glue on the nail and then I just pressed it on for like 10 seconds. And when I put these on, I kind of try to push it a little bit, not underneath the cuticle, because you don't want to like force it underneath the cuticle, but I kind of press it up against the cuticle really well, so it'll, you know, I like this color. Sunday is summer solstice. It's the first day of summer on Sunday, and I think that this color is very summery. It's kind of like, well, it is like a peachy color because it's called Malibu Peach. But it is very, very pretty. I like how it covered the nails. Now, this polish, there's a slight, these nails have a white French tip on them. So you can slightly, ever so slightly see the little tip under there, but it's not anything that would bother me or be a problem. I like these. I like how they came out. I think they are perfect, actually. I like the color. So very, very happy with how these nails came out. I am definitely going to use the Kiss press-on nails versus those Amazon nails. They were fine, but they just are not, they weren't as durable as these. But the polish definitely was way more durable than any other polish I've used. So this Miracle Gel with the top coat does stand up to washing dishes and everyday living. So yeah, I am definitely sold on this polish. I'm excited that I can do my own colors, and I love doing them on these little stands the day before. So there's absolutely no smudging, and you get nothing on your fingers that you have to clean off when you polish on your hands. When I do it anyway, that's, I mean, if you're not an expert at nail polish and you want to have it look like a professional manicurist did your manicure, then this is the way to go. That's the way I feel anyway. So yeah, I'm loving these little stands, Julie. You know who you are. So, all right, guys, that was my quick nail video for this week. I hope that you have enjoyed it. I hope that you have gotten some inspiration for your own DIY manicures. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing, and I hope that you will come back. So thanks again, everybody, for watching. Take care. Bye for now. Happy summer.